Hey. Hep. Another day and I get a package. And a package a day keeps the doctors away. So let's see what's inside. Beautiful. This is what I ordered 2 days ago. This is the GoPro Hero 10 chest mount, the 64 gig SanDisk, the GoPro 10 itself, the Light Mod, and and the Media Mod for $445 plus $25 shipping plus the HSD 13%, so it's about $650. Pretty good. So here you go. These are all the stuff that I received from GoPro. These are personal purchase. Hi Hap, you want to play with this? Let's see what's inside here. Nice sturdy packaging. I think this can be doubled as a case. Oh! Never realized the GoPro is this tiny. It's so tiny. Take it off. It's beautiful. Beautifully tiny. Got the USB-C charger. This is the stick-on thingy. I don't know the name of it, but I know what it is. I'm sure you know what it is. This is the battery. No wonder people say that this battery only lasts for about an hour of recording in 4K. It's so tiny. This is the mount. And this is to lock everything together. Some manual. That's it. There's nothing else inside. So now I'm just gonna open the case to put the battery in. Put the battery in. Is it this way? Oh yeah. That's it. And I'm going to charge the battery before I start doing anything to this unit. And before I lose this, why is it so difficult? Why is every single thing they have to make it so difficult? Yeah, even my dog doesn't like it. She finds it to be annoying. Now this is a lot easier this way. And just put the micro SD card into the GoPro slot here. Put it until it clicks. That's it.
A few moments later.
So to start, you press and hold the power button here. And it will power up and it will ask you which language you want. Not like you can have any option. You have to click agree. Then you go to your iPhone or Android app store and download Quick. Follow the step-by-step instruction. Basically, you just click OK, 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 OK throughout the process of registering this system to the phone. You can see that the GoPro is downloading the update file from the phone to the GoPro unit itself. And now it's starting the firmware update process. And now it's done. Just to show further, These are the things that are supplied with the Light Mod Kit and the Media Mod Kit. There's the bracket with two microphones. One is facing forward and the other one is facing inwards. Here's the wind filter. Just click it on like this. It's installed. Another mount comes with it. Seems to be that's it. And how to install this with this together? Well, open the side door, pull it off, align it like this, press until it cannot move anymore. Then you lock it. That's it. And then now you can charge the battery from here. This is a USB-C for the battery charging. It has a slot for 3.5mm TRS microphone, so you can use another external microphone if you need to. And also at the very top, it's a micro HDMI output, so you can output anything from this camera directly to your TV or to a 4K screen grabber. Last but not least, then I can use my light kit and install it to the cold shoe, just like this. And done. This is my kit. Hopefully I can use it well. Thank you for watching. So that's my GoPro kit. Hope you like it and thank you for watching. Hi.